Hey friends, if you encounter the error failure when attempting to copy boot files on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions, and all of these commands are in the description section of the video. Now, the first solution is to set the partition as active, because if it's not active, then other commands will not work. So here is a set of command lines. You need to copy paste it. This zero means the C drive. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste all of these commands here and hit enter. Okay. And once all of these commands have executed, your partition, the C drive partition, will be marked as active. Then you need to fix MBR and rebuild the BCD and BCD's boot configuration drive. So copy all of these commands here: the fix MBR1, fix boot1, scan NOS, and rebuild BCD1. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the commands here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.